Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of a new series. So here in this one, I want to talk about some of the complex or important um, things that I learned in CISSP, maybe which is also good for you. So I'll be starting from domain to domain. So this series is on domain 1, and today's topic is on security function versus security governance. But before I move to the concept, I give a brief introduction to the domain first. So domain 1 is on security and risk management, and it covers a range of topics like security governance, risk management, compliance, and legal issues, policy frameworks or the standards, and also about ethics. So its purpose is to help us understand how organizations should think about security and how to implement them as well. Okay, moving on to the topic for today, security governance versus security function. So security governance is related to the strategic level stuff. Governance is about ensuring that security supports business objectives, right? And it's where the board and the senior leadership will define the why and what of security. Say, for instance, to ask questions like what are our security goals, what policies and frameworks we should follow, and so on. But security function is more of the operational side. It's the implementation of the security controls and maintaining them. So managing a security function means, so this includes both technical and administrative tasks from the security teams, right? Not only the technical, but also the administrative tasks. And the main purpose of the security function is to improve security over time, because the governance level will lay down what needs to be done, but in this level we have to do it and maintain it over time to keep security of the company stable and improving. So to make it very clear, some of the security functions are monitoring logs, performing VAs, implementing and maintaining firewalls, and also ensuring the security awareness trainings go in the workplace as intended. So to conclude, security functions come from governance, right? So it's a top-down approach. Governance says we need to protect customer data, and security function says, okay, we'll implement access controls, DLPs, and so on. Okay, so this is all for these two concepts. So if you all have any questions, you all can drop a comment and I'll answer. Thank you.